video, and in today's video actually I'm gonna be sharing with you like how I created like the best JW player of all time. So let me see if I can show it to you here. Wait, you're not supposed to be seeing that. Oh, it's in pages. Wait, not in the layout, it's in pages. Let me first share the link to people to the chat so that people can join us, okay? Wait. Why is it taking so long? Okay. Why is it taking so long? Okay, it's supposed to be. No, it's not supposed to say 3. It's there, but not. It's supposed to be somewhere. Oof. Wait, where is it? I'm trying to see where is it. Okay, let me just flip this here. Okay, let me just flip this here. Okay, I'm trying to. So a lot of you guys have been having problems with the player, but I'm trying to share the link to the people who have been having these, especially these problems. Um, I'm trying to see if I can get everyone on board. Join me live. Wait, guys, I'm trying to get everyone on board so that I can explain everything quickly. Join me live. All your questions. Yes. Questions about. Wait, guys, I'm trying to. By the way, this is my first live stream for in a while now, okay? It's been like a while ever since I did these live streams, so yeah, let's see what we can do. Let me see if I can get people live. If I get like 5 to 6 people, I'll begin with that, then I'll be sharing the link for those who didn't get the time to join in, okay? So I'm trying to get people to join in for now. Okay, so there is a guy in the Telegram. Oh my god. Let me see if I can get it here. Where is the channel? There is a guy in the Telegram channel that said, I don't know why. No, it's not this one. It was in general, right? Um, he asked, I pasted the MPD link after the equals, but know why it's not playing. But don't know why it's not playing. I can't play MPD fails. Please help me. So I'm gonna first answer this question and then I will proceed, okay? So this is the code that we are using, okay? It's this code. Wait. It's the JW player, like it has also, it can track the, like, let's say the if there is an event that is currently playing on your website, like it will be tracked by the Google tag. So if you get this code, make sure that you change this to your Google Analytics code, okay? This one and then this one, okay? Those Google IDs, you make sure that you change them, okay? You make sure that you change them. Help me change them. And then as you can see, it can track the time spent, the engagement, and then the page duration, okay? So, and then we have the Netflix skin of JW Player. Let me scroll that out. And then also this code, what it can do, it can also embed videos, okay? It can help you embed videos or links, whatever. So let's say I'm gonna give you an example. So let me create a new page here. So this is the new page. I'm gonna call it sports 803 taste, okay? So after that, I'm gonna like get the page, the player page. It's here, right? So I'm gonna get it. So we're gonna test like using this. Let's say you have an MPD, an MPD file, okay? You just add question mark. Let's first start with a MP4. Sorry, with a M3U8. I show you how it works. So you add a question mark. Sorry, you add a question mark and then molar equals at the end of the link, okay? At the end of the link where you've added like the code, you add molar equals and then the, let's say we go to notes and we copy this is just my test URL. We go equals this, okay? Equals the streaming URL that I've just pasted. So let's first test if it's gonna play it, okay? Let's paste it here. We want to see if it can play it. Okay, as you can see, it works perfectly fine. Not so? And for those of you who have been wondering like why this logo appears here, I'm gonna show you how to change it. This logo, if you don't need it, if you need to put there your own logo, let's say if I can't highlight it, but the Sports 803 logo here. If you want to change it, you scroll down all the way down, okay, and then you look for this. You can add here your link. Let's say if you want your website link or your Telegram link here. Wait, it's supposed to be .live. That's my Telegram link. And then here is the link to the what? Here is the link you need to change because this is my logo. Let me show you actually. This is my logo. This is my logo. So actually, if you have any questions, guys, make sure that you help me and add it into comments so that I can reply to. I will be able to reply to each and every like comment, okay? So this is the video now playing M3U8. So this is how you play M3U8. I don't know if that is done right now. You can see that it's playing. You can add the voice, but I don't want to get any copyrights here. You get, because this is a TV station in Uganda, whatever. So here you will be able to add your links, whatever, okay? Here your Telegram links and everything, okay? And what else? And here you can add a description to your what, to your images. What else? I think that's the major part of the code. You don't need to get to know everything as long as you're gonna be just using it. That's the best way to customize it anyway. So let's say you wanna embed a video, yeah? You wanna embed a link. Which link can we embed? Let's say a YouTube link. You wanna embed a YouTube link, okay? Go to any of my videos. Let me just search any of my videos, okay? Wanna embed any of my videos, sorry. Melvin Alexa. I'm gonna just get any video, then I show you as an example. Let's say this one. I click on share. Oh, wait, it's supposed to be YouTube generator for iframe, right? YouTube iframe. Sorry, I forgot to add the name iframe, right? I don't know how the link should look like, so that's why I'm just getting the generator. I wanna replace it with mine. Sorry, this is mine. Then I create generate. So this is supposed to. Why isn't it working? Did I get a correct? Let me get another one. I think this one, like to go here. Wait. Create an embed link. Let's generate again. Just wondering why isn't it working? Wait. I'm supposed to wait, guys. I don't know why it isn't like getting me the link that I. Let me first put this here. We see. Let me get this. I think it's supposed to be something like that. Okay. Wait. It is supposed to be like this. Isn't it the link? Trying to get to know if that's the link. I think that's the link, right? So if they embed you, how do they describe it? It's this. Wait. I'm trying to get all of it. These. Just gonna paste this here. Just need this little code here, and then I paste it here, right? This is not the way you get the bit. I'm just trying to see if this can work. If this can work. Okay, so we're going. If this is the embed URL. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. Anyways, we go back to the page editors because we were trying to understand like how to use the link to embed. Like you just need to add this like this. because first of all, the good thing with this URL, by the way, is that it's okay. So you won't need to worry about about what is it called, you won't need to worry about ads or any ads in your links. Okay, so you just add a question mark and then you add the word embed like that, and then you add equals as the parameter. Where is it? Where is equals? It's here. And then you add the link that you want to embed. Okay, and then we're gonna see if this works. Okay, and then you're gonna see that, and voila, right? So you have the embedded iframe link here, so it's embedded into our website. You get, so let's say we want to see if, I'm gonna show you, this is the iframe generator. Wait, it generates like iframes to show you. So I'm gonna just paste the whole link here. You have a look. So we click preview. So as you can see, it works perfectly fine. It can embed like it can embed links. Okay, because this is a YouTube link, and as you can see in the iframe, it works perfectly fine. And in case I want to add this to my website, I'll just click copy this, and then maybe I can add it to my website. Like, let's say I want to add this to, let's say, test. Let's add it to the test. Let me delete this, I don't need it. Okay, I'm on the iPad. You add this into the HTML view, and then let's update it. Let's click on view the test. We see how it looks on the website. So as you can see, it works exactly on the website. It works very good. Yeah, but on the theme that I'm using, it's not showing full screen because of the parameters that I'm using. But yeah, it works perfectly fine here, right? This is my video. Yeah, so all of you who have been facing problems like how do you play MPD files, so I have some links of MPD. Problem is that we'll get into copyrights if I show you this, but I'm going to show you how you can play MPD and then M308 at the same time. For example, I'm gonna open this in another window. So this one I'm going to, how am I going to show you this? Let me try this. Sorry, I'm gonna split view this, make them like this. How do you split view? I want to split view with, oh my god, what do you mean? Wait, okay, let me just use Safari for this. Let me just use Safari. I'm gonna just use Safari Blogger. HI. Have I used it right? Not sure not sure I've used it here for the moment. Okay, so right now we are going to see let's go to test. So I want to show you how you can play MPD files on what, on using the code that I told you, or the link. If you've added it to the link, like I've been emphasizing. Okay, so after adding that code, so we're gonna use, if you want to play MPD, you just add question mark mora, and then you create equals, you add equals, right? Where is it? Equals, and then we add a link. Like, so problem is that my this is an iPad and don't support MPD, okay? They don't support dash. They don't support dash links, but let's say you have your clients, like you have your MPD file and you also have the M3U8 link, okay? So you can choose to play the M3U8 link, let's say for people who have iPhones and iPads, just just for it, okay? And for Androids it will play the MPD. For iPhones it will play the M3U8. So let's say I'm gonna just show you. So this is the, I don't wanna cause of copyright, okay? I don't wanna mention it, but this is the link that we're having. I'm pretty sure you're seeing the screen right, okay? This is the link that we're having, and we're going to copy the MPD link, okay? Let's say we add it here after Mora, and then after we've added the link, we're gonna add the clear keys in case the if the link requires you to add clear keys, okay? So we're gonna add that, and then we add a question mark, and then we add the word key equals, okay? Key equals, where is equals, sorry, key equals, and then the clear key, the first clear key, sorry, it's not that long, the first clear key, okay? It is supposed to be ending here, right? Sorry, it's not supposed to be question mark, it's supposed to be and. I had forgot. It's supposed to be like that, and equals, okay? It's not supposed to be a question mark after you've added Mora, okay? Mora equals link to the link of MPD, and then and key equals, it's so easy, you get used to it, and then you add the clear key, the first key, okay? And then you add the key ID, and then you add and equals this key, and equals key 2, okay? And then equals key 2 equals the second key ID, the key ID, okay? Okay, like that, simple. And now this is the MPD. This one can only work on sorry, wait, this one can only work on, wait, sorry, this one can only work on, now what I was saying is that this one can only work on Android devices and PCs, okay? Not on like iPhones. But let's say you have an iPhone link, okay, that you want to share. You just add this to your link. Where did I do? View, and then Safari, okay? But let's say you have the M3U8 link, like you want the Android users to be using the other M3U8, and then the Apple users to be using whatever this, okay? Because PC users will be using the MPD, okay? They won't be using the M3U8. And then you add and Apple equals, sorry, Apple equals to the link that you want to share, okay? So for my case, I have this link. I'm not supposed to disclose it because this video will be taken down for the third time, and I'm tired of recording it over and over and over for you guys. So this is the for the iPads, okay? Wait, it's supposed to be working. I think I did a mistake. Wait, let me first see if this link is working. It is working. Wait, where did I do a mistake? Wait, I think I did a mistake when I was wait, I'm trying to see where did I do a mistake. Mora equals the link, this link, and then key equals to 0 pointer, and then key 2 equals to f, and apple equals to, so it's supposed to be working as this, okay? As this. I don't know where I did a mistake, but maybe in the links when I was copying, because use problem. Okay, I've got the problem is that this one, if I put it direct and not put it in an iframe, and I just share a direct link like this on the Apple or iPad or iPhone, whatever, on Apple devices, it will try to have, okay, but it won't be able to play because it's confused like what to play, okay. But when you add it into an iframe, okay, that's the problem. That's the reason why the other one wasn't working, because it's this one, this link is the same as this, okay. No worries, it's just I did a mistake when I was copying, but it's the whole same idea, okay. When I was copying, I did some mistakes when I was writing maybe, but it's the same whole idea, okay. So but when you add it in an iframe, let me try and show you here. Iframe generator, where is it? uh, because when you add it in an iframe, it is supposed to play, okay. It is supposed to play. Let's also my net, okay, let's not get it copyrighted, okay, but that's the whole idea, okay. Guess your scene. And yep, I don't know what else you would like me to do for you, but that's the whole idea of the MPD M308. And those who have questions, again guys, um you just comment down below the videos, and I'll try and reply to questions. But this question just out there, okay. So I thought that I could just share it with you guys, because a lot of you have been having this problem. So I'm gonna create a new tab. Okay, also guys, try and use the help tab most of the times, because this is where I come. I have a 12-hour job. It's not like I usually come here, and I always want to reply to your questions and stuff. So also this one was having a problem. Hello, when I try to add players, it shows me this. What do I do? I don't know. I don't know, bro. But I think this is not the way you add players, because I already shared the link to this player that I'm having. Uh, the link is there. You see it. Link is already there. I don't know. I'm going to share it here. The link for the player. Where? Oh, let me just copy for you guys here. Those who want the new code, because the old code doesn't like. Sorry, it won't allow you to. Where is it? I was saying that the old code won't allow you to play MP3, and then MPD at the same time. That's what I was trying to mean. I'll just share it later, because it's already there. I think I already shared it. Problem is that I'm on my iPad and man, selecting everything it's a bit difficult. It's a bit difficult for me. Oh, let me see if I can go up like this. If I can copy everything, then I share it with you guys. That will be, oh my god, it won't. Let me try it again. If that's possible, then that's what we're going to be doing or using. Okay, but that's the player, guys. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, man, I think it won't allow me to paste, but once I get to my PC, I'm going to share the code for you guys to see. Alright, guys, as you can see, time is so late. It's really late, and yeah, make sure you drop the like the questions in the comments. I'm gonna be able to reply to them, I swear to god. Okay, that's it in today's video. In a goodbye. I'm gonna play some Call of Duty. Those of you who play it, you can join me online if that's okay with you. And yeah, goodbye.